Step inside a world where technology meets elegance. These modern home gadgets don't just make life easier, they redefine comfort, style, and efficiency. Each one is a small masterpiece designed to elevate your everyday routine. If you love discovering smart ideas that transform your space, hit subscribe, tap like, and share your favorite gadget in the comments. All links are waiting for you right below in the description. Let's begin. Cooking becomes pure satisfaction with the Circle Joy Gravity Electric Grinder Set. Just tilt it, and freshly ground salt or pepper falls like magic. No buttons, no twisting, only precision. Its smart gravity system brings a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, while the bright blue LED light reveals every grain landing on your dish, even during a cozy dinner or an outdoor barbecue at night. Adjust the coarseness to your taste, from fine to bold, and let the ceramic core preserve every aroma in its purest form. Built to last, it runs smoothly with only 4 AAA batteries, giving you effortless control and elegant design in one. Whether you're seasoning a steak, a salad, or a late-night snack, this grinder transforms the simplest meal into an experience. And with its current price of $16.99, it's the kind of upgrade your kitchen deserves right now. Every kitchen deserves a touch of refinement, and this stainless steel mixing bowl set delivers exactly that. Each bowl locks tight with an airtight lid, keeping your ingredients fresh and your fridge spotless. Flip open the removable top to pour or blend directly. No mess, no spills, only precision. 3 grater attachments let you slice, shred, and grate straight into the bowl, turning preparation into an effortless rhythm. Non-slip silicone bases keep everything steady, while the polished steel shines with durability and style. When you're done, they nest together, saving space and restoring harmony to your counter. 6 sizes, each ready for mixing, serving, or storing, from sauces to salads, batter to bread. And at $35.99, this complete set feels less like kitchenware and more like an everyday luxury you'll enjoy using again and again. Meet the garlic press that turns a simple clove into pure culinary gold, the Zule Kitchen Garlic Press Set. Built from rust-proof steel, it crushes garlic and ginger into smooth perfection with one firm squeeze, releasing rich aroma and flavor in seconds. The ergonomic handle feels balanced and gentle in your hand, giving control without strain. Its silicone peeler slides off skins cleanly, keeping your fingers fresh and odor-free, while the brush clears every trace in moments. Compact yet powerful, it even handles nuts or spices when you crave freshly crushed ingredients. Dishwasher safe and made to last, it's more than a tool. It's a quiet upgrade to every meal you cook. And for $14.99, it adds professional precision to your kitchen for the price of takeout. Imagine the aroma of melted chocolate swirling as laughter fills the room. That's the magic of the Cucini Electric Fondue Pot Set. Its sleek electric base keeps everything perfectly warm, turning strawberries, marshmallows, and pretzels into irresistible treats. The detachable trays hold your favorite dippings neatly, while the polished bowl melts chocolate, cheese, or caramel into silky perfection. With 4 elegant forks and adjustable heat, every detail feels thoughtful and ready for sharing. Whether it's a movie night, a romantic evening, or a family gathering, this fondue set turns ordinary moments into lasting memories. When it's time to clean up, the removable parts make it quick and effortless. At $27.99, it's more than a dessert maker. It's an invitation to create warmth, joy, and connection in every gathering. Cooking meets precision with the Muller Pro Series Mandolin Slicer, a tool designed to turn meal prep into pure satisfaction. 12 ultra-sharp blades slice, dice, julienne, grate, or spiralize in seconds, crafting picture-perfect salads, zoodles, and salsas with effortless control. Its stainless steel edges glide through vegetables like air, while the food holder keeps every cut safe and steady. The built-in container catches every piece neatly, keeping your counter clean and your focus on flavor. Compact, sturdy, and beautifully engineered, it transforms tedious chopping into a smooth, almost satisfying ritual. When you're done, it cleans easily in the dishwasher and tucks away neatly in any kitchen drawer. Add more color, texture, and nutrition to your meals without losing time or energy. And at $34.97, it feels less like a gadget and more like a secret weapon for everyday cooking. Keep your counter spotless with the Zule silicone utensil rest, the small tool that ends kitchen chaos. Its raised edges trap every drip, while 4 slots hold spoons, spatulas, and tongs neatly in place as you cook. Crafted from heat-resistant food-grade silicone, it stays steady beside your stove and cleans instantly in the dishwasher. Durable, sleek, and surprisingly affordable at $7.99. It's the tidy little upgrade your kitchen will thank you for. Transform the atmosphere of your home with the Airwick Advanced Oil Warmer. It releases gentle pulses of fragrance that stay rich and consistent for weeks, while its boost button fills any room with instant freshness. An indicator light guides you softly in the dark and shows when it's time to refill. At $15.92, it's a refined way to keep every space feeling calm and beautifully scented. Bring harmony and style to your kitchen with this 33-piece silicone utensil set. Every tool you could possibly need, from spatulas to whisks, ladles, tongs, and more, crafted in sleek stainless steel with heat-resistant silicone heads that glide smoothly on your non-stick cookware. Each handle feels balanced and sturdy, built to outlast wood, plastic, or metal alternatives. No rust, no scratches, no fading, just lasting performance with a refined look. After cooking, they clean easily in the dishwasher and hang neatly thanks to their looped handles, saving both time and space. Whether you're flipping pancakes, stirring sauces, or slicing pizza, every piece moves like an extension of your hand. At $39.99, this complete collection transforms everyday cooking into a seamless, elevated experience. Lunch on the go just got an upgrade with the Crock-Pot electric lunchbox. Compact yet stylish in blush pink, it warms your favorite meals right at your desk, in the car, or wherever the day takes you. Its sealed lid prevents spills, while the soft touch exterior feels smooth and modern in your hands. Inside, a 20-ounce container keeps soups, pastas, or leftovers perfectly heated. No microwave, no mess. Once you're done, detach the cord, toss the container in the dishwasher, and you're ready for the next meal. Designed for busy days and cozy moments alike, it turns any place into your personal dining spot. At $29.99, it's more than a lunchbox. It's warmth and comfort to go. Light your workspace with the Lepro LED desk lamp. Sleek, bright, and built for focus. With 5 color modes and 5 brightness levels, it adapts perfectly from morning tasks to late-night reading. Its soft, non-flickering glow protects your eyes, while the adjustable arm directs light exactly where you need it. Fold it flat when you're done, and enjoy a clean, minimalist desk. At $19.99, brilliance and style finally share the same space. Deep cleaning meets smart design with the Yokata Floor Scrub Brush. Its 2-in-1 head combines tough bristles and a rubber scraper to tackle dirt, grime, and water in one smooth motion. The telescopic handle extends to nearly 56 inches, keeping your posture comfortable while you work. Durable and versatile, it powers through tile, wood, or concrete with ease. At $19.99, spotless floors are just a sweep away. Meet the One-Touch Electric Can Opener. Effortless precision at your fingertips. With a single press, it glides smoothly around any can, leaving clean, safe edges behind. No twisting, squeezing, or strain. Just lift the lid and pour. Its compact design fits every hand, perfect for seniors, home cooks, or anyone who values convenience. Strong stainless steel blades handle every size, from small tins to tall cans, all in seconds. Quiet, cordless, and reliable, it turns an everyday chore into a satisfying ease. And at $35.99, it's a small tool that brings big comfort to your kitchen routine. Cleaning meets innovation with this flat mop and bucket set. A system designed to keep your hands clean and your floors spotless. Its dual-chamber bucket separates clean and dirty water, while built-in blades squeeze out excess moisture with every dip. The 360-degree rotating mop head slides easily under furniture and reaches tight corners most mops miss. 3 reusable microfiber pads capture dust, hair, and spills with incredible absorption, perfect for both wet and dry use. Compact and sleek, every piece fits neatly into the bucket for effortless storage. Whether you're wiping tiles, wood, or windows, it moves with precision and ease, transforming cleaning into something almost satisfying. And at $29.99, it's a smart essential that brings freshness and order back to every room. Power, precision, and comfort, all in one tool. The Redefine Electric Spin Scrubber turns heavy cleaning into effortless motion. With 8 interchangeable brush heads, it conquers every surface, from bathroom tiles and kitchen floors to car panels and furniture. Dual-speed control lets you switch from gentle polishing to deep scrubbing in seconds, while the telescopic handle extends up to 54 inches, saving your back from bending and strain. Its waterproof build and fast Type-C charging keep it ready for any task, running up to 90 minutes on a single charge. Each rotation lifts grime, soap scum, and stains until everything gleams again. From corners to countertops, it brings new energy to cleaning. At $39.98, it's more than a scrubber. It's power in your hands, ready to make every surface shine. Soft, focused, and brilliantly designed. The Dot Arts Book. Light makes every page come alive. With 5 color tones and 6 brightness levels, you can shape the perfect glow for reading, studying, or relaxing at night. Its dual heads rotate independently, illuminating your book without waking anyone beside you. A built-in timer lets you drift off peacefully, while the battery indicator keeps you aware of your next recharge. Lightweight yet powerful, it runs up to 100 hours on a single charge and recharges quickly via Type-C. Clip it to your book, desk, or headboard, wherever your story takes you. At $7.99, it's the quiet companion every reader deserves, turning late nights into moments of calm and focus. Discover the freedom of spotless living with the V15 cordless vacuum cleaner. Its advanced motor delivers powerful suction that lifts every trace of dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, hardwood, and corners you didn't know collected dirt. The innovative green light reveals hidden debris, letting you see what others miss, while the anti-tangle roller glides smoothly without clogging. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it transforms from stick to handheld in seconds. Perfect for floors, sofas, or even your car. A long-lasting battery powers up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, while its 8-stage filtration system traps even the finest particles, keeping your air pure and fresh. When the job's done, just rinse the filter and store it effortlessly. At $99.99, it redefines cleaning, turning everyday chores into precision-driven performance. Harness the power of pure steam with this handheld pressurized steam cleaner, a compact force built to deep clean without chemicals. In just 3 minutes, it heats to over 200 degrees, blasting away grease, grime, and bacteria from kitchens, tiles, upholstery, and even car interiors. 10 versatile attachments let you tackle grout, ovens, floors, and furniture with precision, while the safety lock ensures total control during every use. Lightweight yet mighty, it delivers up to 12 minutes of continuous steam, reaching corners brushes can't touch. No residue, no harsh scent, just spotless surfaces and peace of mind. From stubborn stains to everyday mess, it transforms cleaning into a natural, satisfying ritual. At $49.99, it's your all-in-one solution for a fresher, healthier home. Give your bathroom a touch of magic with the Toilet Motion Sensor Nightlight. It lights up automatically when you walk in, guiding you softly through the dark without disturbing your sleep. Choose between 8 vivid colors, or let them shift in a calming glow that turns every late-night visit into something fun. Rechargeable by USB-C, it runs up to 60 days per charge, splash-proof and easy to clean. Perfect for kids, guests, or anyone who loves clever design. At $16.99, it's a bright little upgrade that makes every night feel smarter. Light, sound, and design come together in the Esvelo music table lamp, a 4-in-1 companion that feels as elegant as it looks. A gentle touch adjusts 4 levels of brightness, from soft night glow to full reading light, setting the perfect mood for every moment. Its wireless charger powers your phone effortlessly, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker fills the room with rich, balanced sound. Rotate the lamp bar to hold your device at just the right angle for watching, reading, or relaxing hands-free. Modern, compact, and beautifully crafted, it brings warmth and convenience to any bedside, desk, or living space. At $45.99, it's not just a lamp, it's a thoughtful piece of comfort, ready to brighten every day. The smart LED table lamp blends technology and elegance in one sleek design. It charges your phone wirelessly, plays music with 360-degree surround sound, and wakes you gently with customizable light and sound. Control every detail through the app, brightness, colors, and timing, to match your mood. Perfect for desks or nightstands, it turns any space into a calm, modern retreat. At $44.97, innovation truly meets comfort.